Hi, this is One Repair Center. We're at the workshop. My name is Mike, and I'm the tech. And been working on an iPhone that's been water damaged, and brought from another store. Um, they may have or may not put it into an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, which is not the same as putting it into a real ultrasonic cleaner. But as soon as we open it up, it just didn't look like it's been even touched. Could be wrong, but based on what we see, that's where our conclusion was. And we put it into the ultrasonic cleaner, and we weren't successful with the touch. Touch was not working. I changed out the touch IC Mason chip, and we're just gonna test it out again and see what kind of if we're gonna have any more touch. So let's try to see what we get here. Let's put the new screen on. Trying just a second on. Let's see what we get. Alright, there we go. Should be turning on now. We got image that is really good. And we're gonna see if the touch is working. Wait for it to boot up. There you go. Touch is working. As you can see, touch is working. So the touch is working on this one. Let me see if I can put it somewhere where the light don't shine as much. Oh, there you go. See it? Touch is working. And this is a successful repair here. And what we did first was we cleaned the board, took the shields off, and we threw it in the ultrasonic cleaner. We were able to get a lot of the gunk out of there. Sometimes you can't get anything underneath the chips. So in this case, the touch IC was damaged due to the corrosion that was caused by the water damage. We were able to remove the chip and replace it with the new one. We couldn't salvage the original IC chip that was on there due to the corrosion, but we were able to save the device. Everything seems to be working. We're going to do a full test once we put it back into the housing. So shut it off and move on to the next one.